Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by locking the key and pulse. Confirm the song key and set a metronome at a comfortable tempo. Next, isolate the right hand melody and play it slowly until you can sing it without thinking. This teaches muscle memory and phrasing. Once that feels secure, add a left hand foundation, root notes or single octave 1/5 patterns to maintain a steady beat. Make sure to keep hands independent. Practice hands separately for short bursts, and then combine them when timing is consistent. Once hands can play together, learn the chord progression and choose voicings that support the melody. Use close position triads for verse and spread voicings for chorus to create contrast. Practice right hand fills. Insert thirds or sevenths and graceful arpeggios to color the melody without overpowering it. For the left hand, experiment with broken chord patterns, a repeating ostinato, or a two-note groove to drive forward motion. Make sure to balance volume between hands. Lower left-hand velocity if it drowns out. You finalize the arrangement by mapping song sections, intro, verse, chorus, bridge, outro, and assigning dynamics so each section breathes. Practice transitions separately. Rehearse the end of one section and the start of the next until they click, because smooth changes sell the performance. Add subtle rubato or fills where appropriate and rehearse endings to land confidently. If something goes wrong, isolate the offending measure, slow it to 50 to 70%. Loop air until clean, then reintegrate. This fixes timing, accuracy, and coordination issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.